A very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy. I hope you all are fine at your home and be safe and be healthy. So once again I have message. Don't try to move here and there because this pandemic time and this coronavirus is increasing day by day and number of patients is also increasing. Now we can see the corona patients are there in our city also right now. So now this is the we have need to be safe more. We have to take those securities whichever we have required earlier, but now we have required more safety to keep safe to ourselves from this virus. So not waste much of time. So now I am going to my topic what today we are going to learn. So chapter 4, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. Whatever the existing partners are there in the firm, and when they change their profit share as they were share their profit according to their profit share ratio. Now some of the partners are not satisfied with their profit, so then they want to change some changes in their profit share. So when the profit share ratio is changed among the existing partners, so there were some adjustment we have required to do. Not only the profit share ratio will change, some of the transactions, some of the accounts are there which they will be affected after changing the profit share ratio among the existing partners. So those adjustments we were discussed in last class. So now today we are going to adjustment for change in profit sharing ratio. What the things are there in which we have required to do the change. First one is profit share, gaining, partner is gaining or sacrificing. Second one is accounting treatment of goodwill. We have to do adjustment in the account in the goodwill. Whatever the reserves are there, those reserves and accumulated profit or loss, we have to adjust according to the new profit share ratio. Next, revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities. These things also we have to require to do the adjustment in that. And last one is adjustment of capital. Whatever the capitals are there of the partners, then we have required to do the adjustment according to their profit share ratio, what the capital a partner should be there in the firm. So now these 5 points, those 5 points we have to clear. So we having a first point. The first point is, and first point in which we have required to do the adjustment, so that is determination of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. These two things we have to calculate. If first I am talking about the sacrificing ratio, what is it? Sacrificing ratio, what is it? Sacrificing ratio is that whatever the ratio sacrificed by any partner towards the another partner. Okay, whatever the sacrifice in the profit share ratio of a partner towards the another partner. So how can we find partner is sacrificing or gaining? For example, I am taking, there is a person and there is a B person. Both are distributing their profit in the ratio of 3:2. We can say this is the old, because why it is, because till now they were distributing in their profit ratio in the ratio of 3:2, but now they are distributing their profit share ratio in the ratio of 1:1. Okay, so according to this, A was getting 3/5. If the 5,000 rupees of profit is there, so then he is getting 3,000 of rupees, and B was getting 2/5. And now what he getting? He getting 1/2. It means in this he was getting much more comparison to this, because he is half. यहाँ पर वो 3,000 रिसीव कर रहा था, यहाँ पर अगर 5,000 है तो 5,000 में से 2,500, तो 5,000 का इसको लॉस हो रहा है. So it was the earlier ratio and it is the new ratio, and now he is getting 1/2 ratio by B. So B was getting 2/5 and now he is getting 1/2. So now B getting more comparison to the last. So now we can say this is a new ratio. Okay, so according to this, this is the old and this is the new. When a partner getting less with the new ratio comparison to old, he is sacrificing. And if a partner getting less in their old ratio, then now he is getting more, so then he is gaining. Both the things I have covered, sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio also. So now we have confirmed what is the sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio when a partner is sacrificing his profit share ratio towards the another partner, and what is the decrease in his profit share ratio. So the decrement of that ratio is called the sacrifice ratio. So now we having the formula to calculate the sacrifice ratio. Here we can see is a sacrifice ratio. So sacrifice ratio, he is getting more here and this is less comparison to this one. So if we subtracting from more to less, then it will be equal to sacrifice. So this is the new profit share ratio and this is the old profit share ratio. So we should subtract old ratio from the new profit share ratio. So the formula will be sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Why it is so? Because in old ratio he was getting more comparison to, this is less. I have written wrong. So this is more. So in old ratio he was getting more and in new ratio he is getting less. So that's why we subtract new ratio from the old profit share ratio. So then we will calculate the sacrifice ratio. So if we calculating from this one, so sacrifice of A, so it will be old ratio is 3/5 minus new ratio is 1/2. So we take the LCM both the things, there will be 10 we divide 10 by 5, 2 multiply by 3, that is 6, minus 5, so it is equal to 1 upon 10. This is the sacrifice. Okay, and now if we talking about the gaining profit share ratio, if we talking about the gaining ratio, so gaining ratio is equal to, for B it can be calculated, here he is getting more and here is getting less. Okay, so what will be the gaining ratio? Gaining ratio is that when a partner in current situation getting more profits comparison to the last profit. So what is the difference is there in between the new ratio and the old ratio? So what is the extra he is receiving in according to his new profit sharing ratio? That is called the gaining ratio. So now if we have to calculate the gaining ratio and the formula of gaining ratio, so gaining ratio is equal to new ratio minus old ratio. If we use this formula according to this one, so the new profit share ratio of B 1 upon 2 and minus old ratio, that is 2 by 5. We take LCM 10. If we divide it by this, so 5 minus 5 to the 10, 2 to the 4, 1 upon 10. This will gain that ratio whatever A sacrifice. जितना A ने sacrifice किया है उतना ही B gain करेगा. It is equal to same ratio. यहाँ पर केवल 2 partners हैं. When 2 or more partners, when more than 2 partners are there, so some of the partners will sacrifice and some of the partner will gain. So whatever the sacrifice by 2 or more partners, then it will be equal to the gaining partners, whatever the ratio gained by the other partners. Okay, so now I have one example which I am going to solve related to the sacrifice and the gaining profit share ratio. So let's see the example of the questions we are going to solve that. Student, I have a question related to the gaining or the sacrifice ratio. Who will gain in his profit sharing ratio and who will sacrifice in his profit sharing ratio comparison to the old profit share ratio and in new profit share ratio. So here this is the question. X, Y and Z are sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Important is this, we should underline this. So now if I am saying it is a old ratio, I should write like this. This is the old ratio. X 5 upon 10, Y 3 upon 10, Z 2 upon 10. Okay, this is the old ratio of all three partners X, Y and Z. Till now they were sharing of their profit sharing ratio in the ratio of 5:3:2. With effect from 1st April 2020, they effected their profit share ratio from 1st April 2020. They decided to share profits and losses in the ratio of 5:2:3. This is the 5:2:3. So now we can say this is the new profit share ratio. New ratio. So new ratio for X, it is 5/10. For Y it is 2/10, and for Z it is 3/10. Okay, new, old and new ratio both we have collect here. Calculate each partner's gain or sacrifice due to the change in ratio. हर एक पार्टनर का गेनिंग रेशियो निकालना और सैक्रिफाइस निकालना है. क्यों निकालना है? क्योंकि उनके जो रेशियो में चेंजेस हुए हैं, ड्यू टू दैट वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द गेनिंग और सैक्रिफाइस रेशियो. Here we can put the formula of sacrifice ratio or gaining ratio, any one of, okay, any one of formula we can put for the gaining ratio or maybe the or for the sacrifice ratio. So if I am putting here the formula of sacrifice ratio, so sacrifice ratio is equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. We put the formula of sacrifice ratio. So according to sacrifice ratio, we calculate both the ratio, gaining partner ratio and the sacrifice partner ratio. So for X, if I am putting the formula, there is old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is 5/10 for X minus new ratio is also 5/10. So LCM 10, 0 minus 0 is equal to, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0/10. No gain, no sacrifice. Okay, no gain, no sacrifice for X. Now if we calculating for Y, here is old minus new. Old is 3/10 minus new is 2/10. LCM is 10 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1/10. So he is sacrificing. Okay, he is sacrificing in his profit share ratio 1/10. Now if I am going to Z, so Z is equal to 2/10 minus 3/10. So denominator will be 10. So 2 minus 3, it is minus 1/10. And if we are putting the formula of sacrifice ratio and then we getting a minus value, so that will be gain. Okay, and if we put the formula of gaining ratio, if we putting the formula of gaining ratio, new minus old, and then there will be the minus term, so that will be sacrifice. According to formula, the sign will change. Here we put the formula according to sacrifice ratio, so then whatever the minus will be there, that will be the gaining ratio. If we putting the formula according to gaining ratio, then whatever the minus term will be there, so that will be sacrifice. This thing we have to be remember. Okay, so this is the first adjustment in his profit sharing ratio of the partners, what they are gaining and what they are sacrificing. Then we can calculate by these two methods, sacrifice ratio or the gaining ratio. So students, next we have accounting of goodwill. This was the first thing, this was the first adjustment in between the profit sharing ratio among the existing partner, who will be the gain or who will be the sacrifice. So let's see next one. that is accounting for goodwill. This is the second adjustment, accounting of goodwill. So first, what is a goodwill? Once again we have to remember, earlier we also discussed the definition of goodwill and the accounting standard under which it's come. So goodwill is stated according to the accounting standard 26, and it is an intangible assets. It is not a fictitious assets. Okay, it is an intangible asset, it is a fictitious assets. And goodwill are of two types. Goodwill can be purchased or it can be self-generated. So there are two types of goodwills are there. So related to this, now how can we treat the goodwill if there is change in the profit sharing ratio among the existing partners? So how can compensating partners will pay goodwill? यहाँ पर हमें एक चीज़ को ध्यान रखना है, इफ़ अ पार्टनर इज़ गेनिंग, अगर पार्टनर गेन कर रहा है प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो में, तो वो गुडविल रिसीव नहीं करेगा. दैट पार्टनर विल पे गुडविल टू द सैक्रिफाइस पार्टनर. ओके, why it is so? Because now he is getting more profit comparison to last. If he getting more profit comparison to last, for that he has to pay goodwill to the sacrifice partner. Okay, so now how we calculate what the amount he will pay to the compensating partner? So first we are going to treat the goodwill and the treatment of the goodwill in different condition, in different cases. First one, when goodwill is adjusted through partners' capital or current account. Okay, according to both the accounts, how a goodwill will be adjusted in the partners capital or current account. Gaining partners capital or current account will be debit, and to sacrifice partners capital or करंट अकाउंट. जो भी पार्टनर गेन करेगा रेशियो में वो डेबिट होगा और जो सैक्रिफाइस करेगा वो क्रेडिट होगा. ये इनकी जर्नल एंट्रीज होंगी. अगर वहाँ पर दो कंडीशन आती हैं, एक तो फिक्स्ड कैपिटल मेथड होता है और एक फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड होता है. फिक्स्ड कैपिटल अकाउंट मेथड में करंट अकाउंट सेपरेट बनता है. अगर करंट अकाउंट सेपरेट बनता है तो वहाँ पर कैपिटल नहीं आएगा. तो गेनिंग पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट डेबिट in the condition of fixed capital account method. If there is fluctuating capital account method, so then gaining partner capital account debit. Okay, this is used in the fixed capital account method, and capital will used in fluctuating capital account method. So these two things are depend on the this one, which method is followed. If fluctuating, then capital. If fixed, that current account. Okay, so don't be confused. Everywhere, not only for here, and whenever, wherever the capital or current account are used. So the adjustment will be there adjustment made for goodwill were made for goodwill on change in profit sharing ratio. Okay. Second thing, when goodwill is raised and written off. This thing is also not too typical, not too hard to understand it. So if it is raised, first thing, what is goodwill? We have to confirm what is goodwill. Goodwill is assets and it is raised. And if it is raised, so then assets is raised. Any assets is increased in our business. So what happened? It will be debit. So first entry will be goodwill account debit, and 2 existing partners capital or current account according to method. Okay, what is the goodwill in the firm? That is raising, so the goodwill account will be debit and 2 existing partners capital or current account will be credit. Here adjustment will be there. Whatever the goodwill is there, that will be distributed among the partner in their old ratio. गुडविल जब रेज होगी उसको ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो में पार्टनर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे अपने प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो में, जो भी उनका ओल्ड होगा. यहाँ पर गुडविल रेज्ड and credited to partners capital or करंट अकाउंट. गुडविल को रेज किया गया और पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट में क्रेडिट कर दिया गया अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. ये ध्यान रखना है. सपोज यहाँ पर गुडविल 10,000 है और इनका 5:3 रेशियो है, तो 5,000 एक के लिए, 3,000 एक के लिए और 2,000 एक के लिए. 10,000 5 3 2 इस तरीके से वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो. सेकेंड एंट्री विल बी this is the journal entry for raise of goodwill. Okay, now second entry is for return off. First is according to raise. I'm writing here. First point is related to raise and second point is for return of the goodwill. So now we are going to solving the second point. So when goodwill is written off, so existing partners capital और current account debit टू में goodwill account. बट यहाँ पर जब रेज होगी तो वो न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो में, न्यू रेशियो में वो अपनी गुडविल को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. यहाँ पर गुडविल रिटर्न ऑफ goodwill written off and debited to partners capital or current account in new profit sharing ratio. Only these two treatments are there. Okay. जो वैल्यू गुडविल की यहाँ होगी सेम गुडविल की वैल्यू यहाँ पर होगी. जितनी वैल्यू से रेज किया गया उतनी से रिटर्न ऑफ किया जाएगा. जब हम इन पार्टनर्स के क्रेडिट और डेबिट का डिफरेंस निकालेंगे तो वो इक्वल टू इसी जनरल एंट्रीज के इक्वल आएगा. ओके. सो आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन. आई एम गोइंग टू solve that and you can understand much more by this question.